Hello everyone, my name is Romana Rust. I'm Senior Researcher at Gramazio Kohler Research at ETH Zurich. Our project, entitled AI-augmented Architectural Design, is a collaboration between scientists and also practitioners, covering domains of architecture and digital fabrication, sustainable building systems, acoustics, philosophy, and, of course, machine learning. Traditionally, architectural design is an iterative process and involves combining and optimizing many criteria and constraints. They involve structural concerns, acoustics, energy, fabrication, and so on. For performance-driven design, architects and engineers create parametric design models to generate, simulate, and evaluate many design instances in order to gather performance feedback on design alternations. However, in this process, it is hard to deal with multiple concurrent objectives, and usually we investigate only a narrow spectrum of the design space. What we want to investigate in this project is, instead of tuning input parameters until the result meets certain performance criteria, we envision that machine-learned models of the design problem will allow us to explore design instances in the proximity of certain performance goals. In this way, the designer could discover unexplored areas within the design space and solutions that were previously intangible. So in this project, we will develop a toolkit for machine learning-based architectural design. We do this with a generic approach through several case studies that are based on two different design categories. The first category concerns surfaces which are evaluated based on their fabricability, acoustics, sunlight protection, targeting architectural applications like acoustic panels or facade panels. The second category are discrete element assemblies, which comprise load-bearing structures made of columns and beams. This category is evaluated based on structural or environmental performance goals. Throughout the project, we will redefine and regenerate the datasets and adapt the problem definition based on the performance of the respective machine-learned models and the discovery of new design spaces. This will be facilitated through design interfaces developed in parallel that allow for fast interaction and a flexible selection of in- and outputs. This approach will allow for generic, reusable interfaces and will form an open source and extendable toolkit based on machine-learned models that can be integrated in CAD software. The ultimate goal of this project is to augment the designer's creative and analytical capabilities in the decision-making process by creating interactive design environments. Thank you.